Welcome to AOS Outdoor Kitchen. In today's video, we are in the grounds of this beautiful estate just outside of Guildford, and I'm going to be showing you through this outdoor kitchen and oak shelter that we have just completed. So the location of this project really is special. We are in a forest, in a glade, and this glade is set in 30 acres of land which belongs to the house that's over there. The house is absolutely beautiful. We've got sweeping lawns everywhere. We've got this long winding driveway that comes up to the house. There's tennis courts, and on this section here, up on a hill actually, we've got this forest. And when we arrived on site, when I first started talking to the customer, they had this shepherd's hut here already. They had this big fire pit. They had this shelter here, and they also had a really old pizza oven over there. Now, they used to come out here all the time, and they wanted to create a space, an enclosed space that they could use all year round, and a proper cooking space that they could cook and entertain for their friends and family. So the first thing that we had to do was create a patio or a base to put the shelter on. So this shelter is 9 meters by 4 meters wide. So for the base down here, we had to dig down here probably 400-500 mil. We put some type 1 in there, and then we used oak sleepers all the way around to create a retaining wall. The shelter itself is an oak shelter, and like I say, it's 9 meters long by 4 meters wide. We get these from Timber Solutions. So these guys, they make all the oak shelters. They're made via CNC machines, so they come almost like a jigsaw puzzle. You just put it together, they go together really, really quickly, and the result is just incredible. So you can see all of this, got all the bracing. Underneath here, you can see all of the rafters go up to this huge ridge up there, and we've got the oak battens that run parallel to those. So when you look up and the underside, and we've got slates on the top here, it gives you that really vaulted ceiling look. It gives that feeling of space, almost like a church that runs right the way from front to back. You can see also, so for the lighting in here, which is really, really good, you've got these spotlights that run all the way around the outside. Now these give light down onto the worktop, so when you're prepping, when you're cooking, you've got light. But then they've also got these pendants that run down the middle here that give overall light, and the same again over the table down here. They've got this really cool bench which they've got. I mean, you're going to be able to sit 8-10 people around here really easily. They've got some heaters up here behind you here, so really important in the winter. Like today, for example, it's freezing cold. We're almost at Christmas, so having heaters in here really is a game changer. You can use it all year round. Coming on to the kitchen itself, so this kitchen is a U-shape, so the design, this has been designed to make maximum use of the space that we've got in here, and creating a U-shape here with a bar area here was the best use of the space. This was constructed using concrete blocks, and then we have used a monocouche render on here, and that is a stone grey colour. So monocouche render is a one-coat render system. The colour is in the render, so once that's on there, you don't have to paint it or anything like that. It's really, really good. It's only a one coat, there's no messing around. For the worktops on this, we have got a 30mm thick dark granite. You can see these are really thick, chunky worktops. This is a honed finish, so you normally have either a polished or a honed. A honed is more of a matte finish. You can see today, actually, it's quite damp. I don't know if it will come up on the camera, but where we've wiped it down, it does look glossy, but actually, it's a matte finish underneath that. It's not polished. On the end here, we have got the Beefeater single fridge, which is where you're going to keep all your drinks and all your food cold. We've got a stainless steel sink and tap here. It's a double sink. Above there also, we put the shelf on there, so it's really handy when you're dressing the kitchen. Since we've used a scaffold board so that it matches the wall, and we've used these really cool shelf brackets. They match the granite really well. Coming along to here, this is the Alfa Moderno 2 hybrid pizza oven. So this will run on gas and it will run on wood. It's a huge oven. You've probably got 700-800 mil of space inside there, so you can easily cook 2 pizzas at one time. It gets up to heat really quickly, gets up to heat probably 20-25 minutes. You can see you've got the thermometer there, and this will cook pizzas in 90 seconds. But it's not only just for pizzas. You can cook chicken, steaks, bread, but anything you want, you can cook it. It's basically an outdoor oven. Here we have got the Napoleon Prestige Pro BBQ. This is a a 304 stainless steel. It's a 7-burner barbecue. You can see all the lights come on. It's got a sensor underneath there, so when you walk up to it, all of the lights come on. If you don't use it for 10-15 minutes, it will shut itself off. So this is a huge cooking space here. You've got an infrared back burner at the back. You've got space for rotisserie as well that comes with it. You've got internal lights as well. Plenty of space, lots and lots of space there. You're going to be able to feed lots of people with that. So there you go, what a space this is. It's got all the bases covered. You've got your cooking area over there. You've got your prep and your socializing area here. You've got this table and chair, or this bench table here, where you can all sit down together and eat. And the location where it's at is just phenomenal. You've got this massive fire pit here where you can all sit around in the evening. You've got a log bench there made out of a tree. You've got the shepherd's hut there, which has got a loo and everything else in it. And it's just set in this incredible location. I mean, this really is somewhere you could come out and spend time all year round. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video and gained some inspirational ideas from it. We try and post these at least once a week, so if you're interested in an outdoor kitchen or you're looking for some ideas, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We also have all of the social channels, TikTok and Instagram, Facebook. We'll leave all the links below. Head over there and give us a follow if you want to see what we're currently up to. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.